In this video, we'll show you how to set up a supervised experience for your child on YouTube. With a supervised experience on YouTube, you can manage how much and what types of content your kid can view by choosing from 3 different content settings. Your child's experience will look a lot like regular YouTube, but there will be adjustments to the content they can find and watch, the features that are available, the default account settings, and the ads they see. To set up a supervised experience for your child on YouTube, you'll need to first have a Google account for both yourself and for your child under 13, or applicable age in your country. To create and manage a Google account for your child, follow these steps. Go to accounts.google.com/signup, where you can create a Google account. Follow the instructions on the screen to create your child's account. You'll enter info like your child's name, the email address they want, and their birthday. Sign in with your own Google account and provide parental consent for your child's account. When you're done creating the account, you'll see a confirmation on the screen. Once your Google account is connected to your child's Google account, you'll be able to manage their YouTube settings. You can do this through the YouTube app on your device. Sign into YouTube with your Google account and make sure it's the account you used when creating your child's account. Click your channel icon, tap Settings, then Parent Settings, and select your child. In this flow, you'll be asked to pick an app for your child, YouTube Kids or YouTube Parent Supervised. Select YouTube Parent Supervised. You'll also be asked to select your child's content settings. The different content settings will restrict access to certain features and drive your child's content experience on YouTube. There are 3 content setting options to choose from, so you can pick the one that's best for your child. With each content option, your child will have greater access to YouTube's vast universe of content, including things like educational videos, tutorials, vlogs, gaming videos, music videos, news, arts and crafts, and much more. The 3 content setting options are Explore, Explore More, and Most of YouTube. The Explore option has content that generally aligns with content ratings for viewers 9+. They will not have access to live streams except for premieres. The Explore More option has content that generally aligns with content ratings for viewers 13+. This option will give your child access to a larger set of videos, including live streams. And finally, the Most of YouTube option will contain almost all videos on YouTube, except for age-restricted content. Note that our systems work hard to prevent inappropriate content, but are not perfect and will make mistakes. Some videos in this experience may be unsuitable for kids. If you prefer a more limited experience for your child, YouTube Kids may be a better option. After you've selected a content setting for your child, complete the remaining steps to finish setup. In addition to choosing the content setting, you can also clear and pause watch history from within your child's account settings. Then you can make sure your child is signed into YouTube on their device or web browser. When you connect your Google account with your child's, you'll also have access to parent controls through an app called Family Link. The Family Link app lets you set digital ground rules to help guide your child as they learn, play, and explore online. You'll be given information about this during the setup of their Google account. To learn more about supervised experiences on YouTube, check out the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.